I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to trade the morning star candlestick pattern. First, recognize the pattern's formation. It begins with a clear downtrend, signaling potential reversal. The first candle is a long bearish one, continuing the downward momentum. Next, a small-bodied candle like a doji or spinning top appears, indicating indecision. Finally, a strong bullish candle emerges, closing well into the first candle's body, confirming a shift in sentiment. After identifying the morning star, confirmation is crucial. Look for increased trading volume on the third bullish candle, which strengthens the reversal signal. Many traders also use additional indicators, such as the relative strength index or moving averages, to confirm the upward momentum. Once confirmed, you can consider entering a long position immediately after the third candle fully closes. Effective risk management is vital. Place your stop-loss order strategically below the low of the second, small-bodied candle. This point represents a critical support level. If broken, the reversal is likely invalid. For take-profit targets, aim for previous resistance levels or apply a favorable risk-reward ratio, such as 2-to-1 or 3-to-1, to maximize potential gains while managing exposure. For enhanced reliability, consider trading the morning star pattern on higher time frames, such as daily or 4-hour charts. This reduces market noise and provides clearer signals. Always combine the pattern with other technical analysis tools, like support and resistance levels, to strengthen your conviction. Remember to avoid trading in highly volatile or sideways markets, as pattern reliability decreases significantly. Practice extensively on a demo account first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.